We're sitting, Minister of Local Government, where is he? On feeder roads, what is the debt we're sitting on? 14 billion?
Sitting on 3.5 billion. Budget allocation for the last 4 years of only 1.3 billion, sir. But what they signed up was 12.9 billion.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yes, sir. Although some of those contracts have not performed yet.
Yeah, thank you. That's the message I wanted. 12 billion kwacha signed for contracts entered into for feeder roads. Contracts were given to people who have never owned a shovel or a pick. They don't know how to construct roads. But some were paid 20% in advance. And they sit in that parliament making noise. Very courageous people. I'm sure in their genetic material they were made to have Dutch courage. If it were me, I would not even open my mouth in that parliament. I know that I was given a contract when I'm not a contractor. I'm a public officer, and I never delivered 5 kilometers, but I got paid. That's the money which they were flashing, which you saw before elections. And I can sit in that parliament and talk. I wouldn't say a word. I'll be so embarrassed. But since shame is not shared equally amongst us, God made us differently, we have to enforce measures to collect that money. Minister of Local Government, I heard you talk in the House. You ended in the air there. You should have gone down to say that money is coming back to the Treasury. That's why they're making noise in that House called Parliament and touting us and saying, we're still running the country. Let's see. Let's see who is running the country. So in your area, this workshop is meant to encourage you to move to recover that money. But the question is that, how did the Attorney General approve those contracts? That's the question. Which chief government lawyer can approve contracts like that? I'm asking you so you can see in your mind why you are seated here. So why you are seated here. So we have ministers now, then giving themselves contracts. You have PSCs that allow that. Then you have Attorney General that signed off those contracts. Then you have the Ministry of Finance. Somehow, you have, I've got this far deliberately. The Public Finance Management Act. The whole system colluded to cheat the people of Zambia. Icona, man. Icona. No. That's not correct. That's not correct. I return to agriculture. We do an audit. The suppliers who were paid in full and never delivered fertilizer are now mocking us. So, you ordered more fertilizer because they did not supply 37% of the fertilizer, because Western Province, Southern and parts of Lusaka were designed not to receive any fertilizer in the 2021-2022 season by deliberate decision. And you say you run a country, an equitable country. Which equitable country are you running? Or which equity are you using to run a country? Now they are mocking us that, no, we supply the fertilizer. And they're in the streets. The PS who signed letters to authorize payment against the contract is now colluding with the suppliers to mock the government, the new government. What is that? Systems have collapsed. But back to Attorney General. How is it that you cleared those contracts? How is it that money was paid, PSs? The feeder roads contracts, money was being paid from local government or from finance directly? From? Right.
Mr. President.
Are they here today? They're not here. So we have a date with them. We have a date with them. How did that happen? There was no control anymore. My dear colleagues, ministers, these are the ministries you have taken over, because NFRA comes under which ministry?